Did you know someone left a tape recorder running at Jonestown? 918 people died on November 18, 1978. The world called it mass suicide, orderly, willing, peaceful. Then investigators pressed play. The tape ran for 44 minutes, and what they heard changed everything. There were screams, there was crying, a woman's voice begging them to stop, children sobbing in the background while Jim Jones kept talking, calmly, like nothing was wrong. The people who had to sit with those headphones on and transcribe every second said the same thing. It didn't sound like people choosing to die. It sounded like people being told they had no choice. One woman stood up and argued with Jones directly, on tape, in front of everyone. She said this was wrong. He told the crowd to ignore her. Then the sounds changed and she went quiet. The tape proved the story the world accepted was incomplete. Not everyone believed, not everyone agreed, not everyone went willingly. The recorder just kept running. Follow for more stories history tried to bury.